who wasn't having fun saw people having fun and, you know, called the police. So I told you what the rules are. We're leaving now.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, officer.
What's up YouTube, Alien Rides here. We are in Oakland, California for the Electric Wheel Grand Prix. This is the first ever electric unicycle race that I know of in America with prize money, so it's pretty exciting. I think we're gonna have 20 racers or so doing 3 heats of 5 laps each, along with the finals race. I'm probably not gonna win this thing, but I'm gonna give it my all and hopefully walk away with some prize money. So let's go check out the course and hopefully we have a good time. All right, subscribe and let's ride.
All right. Liability.
2,000 watt inverter here. Just charging up the wheels before the race. Get some last battery.
Okay. Finish line is the white line right there, yep. As people are coming, their stickers for their number is going to be right on their chest. After 5 laps, that's the time you want to record. Not every single lap, it's just unnecessary.
But tally each lap.
But tally each lap, so you know when someone rolls through their 5th lap. Okay. Also, revel in the absurdity of being an 8, balancing on a wheel at high speeds with a squirt gun. That's just ridiculous. I want you guys to show good sportsmanship because these are your people. Each heat is 5 laps. We're gonna each do 3 heats. So you're gonna go a total of 15 laps. So we're gonna take the top 2 fastest times and average them together, and then that's going to determine who goes to the final race. The race is going to be staggered, so every 5 seconds someone will start. White rings, pick them up. They are to your advantage. They will give you 2 seconds on your lap. Blue rings, pick them up. They are to your advantage. They will give you 2 seconds and they will take 2 seconds away from the top leader.
Oh boy.
Holy shit.
Vano! Give me that ring! I want that ring! Don't touch it, Jericho.
Yeah, buddy.
I'm not getting the ring.
Ooh, we're gonna get shut down.
Why?
Because I thought this was the Oakland area, but it's apparently a regional state park. Apparently electric vehicles are not allowed on regional paths.
I guess some busybody, I mean, somebody who wasn't having fun saw people having fun and, called the police. So I told you what the rules are. We're leaving now.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, officer.
Wow, that was fucking awesome.
What does that mean?
That means we can roll.
That was literally like the coolest thing I've ever seen.
So the cops just rolled in on us, but they were super chill and they just said, hey, we told you the rules, we're gonna leave now. So we're gonna try to finish up this race real quick and see who the winner is. All right, let's ride. It's all messed up. That's all right. No promises. Oh fuck. Sorry, dude. Bad time. Go. My fault. Ah. Alright, so we are crunching some numbers. So we did 3 heats. The slowest heat will just be ignored, and we'll take the average of the top 2 heats. The top 5 will go into the finals.
Now I get to figure out what the blue ring means.
So I managed to make the top 5 somehow, so not quite done yet. Barely squeaked in at number 5 out of 5. So we got one little round of finals left. We're gonna be going backwards on the race.
1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Racer 13 at 3 minutes 7 seconds. Third place, Racer 9 at 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Second place, Racer 5 at 3 minutes even. And first place, Racer 10 at 2 minutes and 50.
Congratulations. So this is the winning wheel, guys. The crazy King Song 18L. Took it away.
Step on your first wheel.
Unicycles forever.
Unicycles forever, baby.
Well, guys, ended up not winning, but ended up placing 5th out of 16 riders or so, which is okay. I'm gonna come back next year, practice up, maybe shed some weight, get a faster wheel, and try to get within the top 3 hopefully. Overall, this is a ton of fun. I'd love to do more of this. If we can get some sponsors involved, that'd be awesome. I'd love to see some EUC manufacturers out here like Gotway, Kingsong, 9bot, all out here promoting their wheels. That'd be amazing. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you liked it, subscribe, and let's ride. See you guys next time.